Windsor, Essex is one of 3 regions, along with the City of Toronto and Peel region nearby, so 3 in the province of Ontario still being held back from moving into stage 3 of reopening. Outbreaks among migrant workers in Windsor, Essex have been the big issue, and CBC News has now learned just a fraction of farms in the region are carrying out on-site testing weeks after that issue was first flagged as a concern. Jason Vio has our details this morning.
Over the last 9 years, Joan Gray has been helping migrant workers in Essex County with the nonprofit Unity Hopeful. But Gray says she can't seem to understand why so few farms are providing on-site COVID testing.
I know personally that the workers want to be tested because I speak to them on a daily basis.
Back on July 6th, CBC News asked the province how many Essex County farms took part in on-site testing, which is 2 weeks after it began. The answer? 19 out of the roughly 175. 2 weeks later, no new farms participated in on-site testing. The number still sitting at 19. That's about 2,800 tests for farm workers. 1,800 of those are on site out of the more than 8,000 migrant workers in the region.
That is mind-blowing. That is ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what's going on there.
Nobody from Ontario Health was available for an interview about the low numbers of on-site testing or to explain why 5 farms scheduled to do it never followed through. Gray even says mandatory testing should be the way forward, and 1 month ago, Premier Doug Ford appeared frustrated with the lack of testing among farm workers.
I'll go to the extreme. I'll start pulling out every tool I have at my disposal to make sure this gets done.
No firm promises after visiting Leamington just last week.
So it's all hands on deck. It's the same situation. There's a group of migrant workers that have spiked things up a little bit, but we're working with the farmers. We're going to continue testing on as many farms as possible. And
the Ontario Greenhouse Vegetable Growers tells CBC News 43 of its 118 members participated in either on-site testing or had done it at the assessment center. It's unclear, though, when that took place or why the others haven't done it. For Joan Gray, she's unsure who to blame for how the situation for migrant workers has gotten to this point.
Somebody's not doing their job. And I don't know who it is, but somebody's not doing their job because these workers should have been taken care of. They're not being taken care of in the way they should.
Jason Vio, CBC News, Windsor.